This is we from beginning to start. Today we mainly talk about modular air-cooled school chiller. This product we mainly include 3 series: D series, E series, and A series. In this presentation, we mainly talk about this content: evolution, series, application, nomenclature, key components, features, and comparison. First, to say the evolution. At present, we mainly promote these 3 series. D series is 2012 developed. 2016 we developed E series, and 2019 we developed A series. D and E series is fixed frequency, and A series is inverter. The referent is R32. And the D series, first we see the D series. This one, this is the capacity range. Capacity range is 65 kilowatt to 160 kilowatt. On this side is the indoor unit, fan coil, AHU. And for this, from this side, this module we see this unit, the power supply not only have 50 hertz, but also we have 60 hertz. For example, this one, and this is 60 hertz. 60 hertz. So according to the situation, you can choose different power supply product. And this side is the indoor unit, fan coil or air handling unit. This is a various indoor unit. Various you can choose green brand. Also, of course, you can also choose another brand indoor unit. This is the difference with VRF. VRF, the indoor unit and outdoor unit is matched. But this modular chiller, you can choose green outdoor unit and the other brand indoor unit. This is the difference. And then next, E series. E series is the capacity range also is 65 to 160 kilowatt. This model also includes 4 modules. The indoor unit, is the same. And the A series outdoor unit. At present, we mainly into for A series we mainly have 2 modules, 35 kilowatt and 60 kilowatt, 2 modules, and the indoor unit also is the same. And then this table we list the parameter for the D series. We say the capacity and the capacity steps, and then the quantity of the compressor. We see in this table we only talk about this capacity steps. We see 0, 50, 100%, and then but for 130 kilowatt is 0, 25, 75 and 100%. This mainly for the part load, for the unit working at part load. Why this one is the minimum load is 25%? Because for this for 130 kilowatt and 160 kilowatt, we have 4 compressor. So the minimum load, cooling load, is at 25%. But for the 65 and 80 kilowatt, the capacity, we only have 2 compressor. So the part load, the minimum is 50%. This for D series product. And then this is for E series. E series. E series, you say this parameter, capacity, and the compressor, scroll compressor. There's one difference is for E series 130 kilowatt, the quantity of compressor is 4, but for E series we only have 2 compressors. So the cost will lower be than the D series. And the noise also will lower. The A series is we include 35 kilowatt and 60 kilowatt. This one. Also, this 2 compressor. For 35 kilowatts is 1 compressor. For 60 kilowatt is 2 compressor. This series is inverter. Is different with D and E series. And then next we see the application. The modular chiller is widely used at hotel, villa, and apartment, and that area where the water source is not enough or is not convenient to install cooling tower. As you know, the modular chiller no need to install cooling tower because it is air cooled. So no need to install the cooling tower. This is also the advantage. This is also the advantage with water cooled school chiller. This application. And then next we see the nomenclature. And then from this table we see the nomenclature is that LS is chillers, QW hermetic screw compressor, and function tab. Condenser is condenser tab. F is air cooled. Let's mainly to pay attention to this. This letter M, modular design, and NA. That means this is R14A. Default R22. D, that's E series name. D series and E series. M. The last letter is the represent the power supply. M is 50 Hz, F is 220 and 60 Hz. This is a different power supply. So when you see the module, you will know this unit, the power supply of the unit. Okay. Next we continue talk about the key component. First we say the compressor. For this series, we Copeland. And the E series we use Danfoss compressor. And the A series, this is DC inverter compressor. Is rotary. For A series, the rotary compressor is a lambda compressor. This is the compressor is an internal protection system, provides superior reliability. These features protect the compressor from excessively high discharge temperature. Is that inside we have the compressor, we have the protector. So to avoid the compressor overload work. And the merits of compressor is that the fewer mobile component, smaller rotating, and lower noise and vibration. For this kind of, we all know that the scroll chiller, the noise and vibration is very small, higher reliability and efficiency. This is the compressor. And next is the heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is that we adopted double flow heat exchanger. That you see flow distributor is like this. We separate two flow, and the dual flow design can greatly improve the heat exchanging effect and the capacity of the unit. Can improve the exchange effect. And the specially designed heat box and the flow distributor can largely improve the evenness of refrigerant vapor liquid mixture after throttling. This design we let the refrigerant separate more even. So it's good for the heat exchange with the water inside the shell. And then for the heat exchange we have multiple freeze protection. We see this picture. We have low pressure detection, low pressure switch, and then water flow switch. It can detect the water flow and temperature detection. Low temperature. Once the temperature is lower, is too low, and then the unit will protect. This is a protection for the heat exchanger. All this protection can avoid the freeze protection of the shell. This is the heat. It's more reliable. It's more reliable. And the next is the inside of the copper. Inside the copper tube. Is that we use a special thinking inside the thread copper pipe. This is not the same. It's not same with the normal copper pipe. This is inside the thread copper. So also can improve the heat exchange efficiency. And another is the heat exchange anti-corrosion the layer, hydraulic layer. The primary material golden fin. We can provide a golden fin. Is aluminum manganese anti-rust alloy. This also the anti-corrosive performance is salt spray. The testing is 200% and 230% 300% higher than normal blue fan. This is the heat exchanger. And the other component for D and E series, the rotor fan blade design. This one, fan blade, precise regulation. We use the expansion valve as the throttle equipment, which makes the control more exactly. And another is the ensure normal operation for a while. This is for the reversing, referent of reversing. Here I mentioned one point is that at present we mainly promote the E series is cooling only unit. D series we have the heat pump. But for E series we mainly promote the cooling only unit. And the next is the A series. A series is we adopt low noise fan blade. We new design fan blade and DC inverter motor, and optimized air passage. So all this and this one is the controller. This controller is touch screen tab. And then we have the quiet mode. We can set the quiet mode. All this is the this equipment for the A series, DC. So for A series, not only the compressor is DC, but also the fan motor is a DC inverter fan motor. So the efficiency is very, very high. So the A series we mainly developed for the Euro market because since 2021, the Euro direction has improved its requirement for the modular chiller. All the SER must reach the 4.1. So we developed A series. All the A series products we can reach the 4.6. We can reach the 4.6. And the minimum, remember, is 4.4. So this one can meet the requirement of the EU direction. This is very the high efficiency product. Also the cost maybe also is very high. But we can, according the local market or the local law, to choose the suitable product. Okay, next we continue to talk about the features about the modular chiller. First, these features we mainly from this aspect to introduce. Okay, first we see the modular design. This product can support modular design, maximum 16 units, free modularization of different models, maximum 16. And then here I mentioned one point is that today we talk about include D series and the E series. D series and the E series also can be combined together to make one modular system. Is that D and E can match together in one system, but A series cannot do this. Cannot connect with D and E. And next is the control to equilibrium runtime. This is that equilibrium runtime is that we mainly ensure the balance of all the compressor, all the modules. Is that during the part load, not only one compressor or not only one module worked. Maybe this time the number one module worked, and next time is another module worked. So this control logical is that we can let all the module worked equilibrium. More equilibrium. Is that is balanced worked. So we can expand the whole unit, the lifespan. The lifespan can extend. And next is the free master design. We can due to this design we can realize all year running. Is that in the modular system, if one module broken, and this module is the master broken, under this condition we can change any other one as new master. We just pull out the controller and then connect the new master on the main board, and then we can work normally. And then another, the broken module cannot affect the whole system. So we can realize all year running. So this is the free master design. The fourth modules not affect others. We just change the controller. Is okay. And the next is comprehensive protection, durability. For this modular chiller, we have lot of protection. For example, this water flow switch protection, various sensor protection. Is that, for example, short circuit and open circuit, and antifreeze protection, overloading protection, high discharge protection, high pressure protection, low pressure protection. So all this protection can ensure the whole unit worked more reliable. We can avoid the damage. So various protection. Okay. Next is the working range. The working range. Let's see for D series, R14A refrigerant. And the cooling mode is 15 to 4, the ambient temperature, 15 to 45, and the heating minus 15 to 24, and the living water temperature is 5 to 15, and heating is 40 to 50. This is the working range. And the E series is ambient is 15 to 46, and the living temperature, water temperature is 5 to 20. So you see this 20. So for the E series, and the wind unit, and the lower cooling load, and the lower cooling load, the unit can realize energy saving, more energy saving, because the water temperature, you see, living water temperature can reach 20 degree. So under 20 degree, the unit will consume less energy. So this is also the advantage for the D series. And the R32 unit A series, and the cooling minus 50 and to 52, minus 20 to 40 heating mode. So this is more wider, is wider than D series and the E series, because this one is inverter unit. And next we talk about excellent compatibility, satisfy various demand. Let's say this maximum can 16 kilowatt, 16 units together. What kind of unit can combine 16? Here I list the module. For D series is 65 and 8 kilowatt. These two module maximum 16. For E series also is 65, 80. You see here. One more. Here have 130 kilowatt. I don't know whether you remember what's the difference between E series and D series for the 130 kilowatt, this module. This module for E series, it has 2 compressors, but for D series, it has 4 compressors. So when modular design for E series 130, we can combine the 16 together to realize more capacity, to realize a higher capacity. So you can calculate 16 130 kilowatt can reach how many capacity is very high. Use the capacity calculate formula is, this is the capacity and times 16. Is that the modular system capacity? So we can satisfy various demand. And then for A series, also is like this. And then here is the controller. This one is for D and E series. This one is for A series. And then except the above module, we can combine 16. But for this module, we can only maximum 8 module together to combine modular system. This 3 module, we can only combine the maximum 8 units together in one system, because you see there is a one features is that for these three modules, both have all these three modules have four compressor. So from this two-slide introduction, you can calculate. We use the quantity of compressor to calculate the quantity in one modular system. Is that in one modular system maximum have 32 compressor. 32 compressor. You according this principle to calculate because maybe in the actual situation you can connect a different module in one system, in one modular system. Under this condition, you just calculate the quantity of the compressor is okay. Okay, this one is the modular excellent compatibility. Not only the same module can combine, but the different module also can combine in one modular system. Okay, next is uninterrupted heating in winter for D series and E series and A series. Because this one is that in one modular system we can maximum permit is this part unit in shift work for defrosting. 1/3 is one third to unit in one system to enter into the defrost mode. So we can ensure indoor unit temperature will not decrease too much because we only have part. For example, only this one defrosting, and the others also. Sorry, this one is heating, and then this one is this three is defrosting. So because not all the outdoor unit enter into defrost, so indoor unit will not. Indoor unit temperature will not drop too much. This is not like the VRF, a GMV file. Once outdoor unit enter into defrost mode, all the indoor unit will stop. So this one, this features for the modular is uninterrupted heating. Is that he never interrupt because even during the defrost, there also have some unit work normally. Heating mode work normally. And the next is easy accessibility for worker. This design is like this. We see the structure. The shell is at this side of the outdoor unit, so it easily can pull out during the maintenance. This is easily maintenance, and then air-cooled chiller, no need cooling tower at the condenser inside, no need a special immersion room, easy to install and maintenance. Also, this is the advantage for the air-cooled modular chiller. No need cooling tower. No need machine room. Outside is okay. This is the easy accessibility for worker. And the next is the multiple stepping capacity control. You see this, we see this. Minimum is 3%. This is almost stepless control. Almost realized stepless control. This is for 16. For 16. You see here, there is the explanation. For a single module, 4 steps is that for the unit with a full compressor. Actually, at the beginning, we have already introduced this. And the part load, the minimum is for single module is 25%. For the modular system, when this modular system has 16 units are modularized, the minimum load, working load is 3%. 3% load are available for capacity. So this the advantage is that under part load, the unit can consume less energy. And another is compared with the inverter unit for D and E series with the inverter unit, the cost is very lower. Is very low. More than 40%. 40% cost can be saved. But modularized also it can realize. But modular system it can realize almost stepless control. Nearly the same with the inverter. Okay, this is a multiple stepping capacity control. And next is a powerful remote monitor. That we can realize the remote monitor unit can connect BMS system, use RS-485 protocol. We can connect if you want to connect the remote control, you can use GRI monitor software, or you can connect the BMS system. We can provide the protocol, provide the RS-485 protocol. This is the remote monitor. And the connection is like this. In the last slide is we can connect the BMS, and also the structure is like this. We connect the unit from the wired controller to connect the BMS and monitor software. Use the backlight on Modbus. This is how to realize how to connect the remote monitor, and the more detail about the connection in the service manual we have list. And this is for A series. For A series is this. We can see A series can support dry contact switch. Is that one? We can realize the remote one button on off the unit. Is it one button to turn on or turn off the unit. This is for A series. is more intelligent. And next is we make some comparison between E and E series. Actually, this one we have introduced for D series and E series for the 130 kilowatt. For D series, only 8 units can be modularized. But for E series, up to 16 units can be modularized. So the capacity can double. Capacity can double. This E and D, the mainly different. And also, we can see other difference is for the whole series product, for the whole module, every module. We can see the noise. The red color is E series. We see the E series, the noise level is lower. It's lower than the D series. It's lower than the D series. Every module, not only one module. 65, 80, 130, both decrease the noise. This is the E series. And this one, you see, here I list the inside the structure. You see, for D series, 130, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 compressor. But this one, for E series, is 2 compressor. So during the starting, E series start quickly. And it can quickly reach the highest load, highest capacity. This is the D and E for 130 kilowatt. And with the same dimension as the D series, but 2 compressor and the corresponding piping are sealed, and therefore maintenance space will be larger. So when we do the maintenance, E series also is easier than the D series, because there is more space to do the maintenance. E and D. And next, we from the energy to make a comparison. A and D and E. A is the inverter. D and E is the fixed frequency. From in this case is that we make a comparison. Is taking office building, for example, it covers 1,600 and the cooling load indicator is 160 watt per square meter. 160 watt per square meter, and heating cooling load is this. Total days is 150. For heating is 150. Running hours each day is 12. Under this condition, we use plan 1 is use 4 sites fixed frequency, and plan 2 is 4 sites of inverter frequency. After that, we get this data improved. You see the blue color, fixed frequency unit. So red color variable frequency is that inverter. You see the SUP, the efficiency, for every part load increase a lot, 25%, 50%, and 75%. When the part load, it can increase 32%. So from this data, we can guide the conclusion is that for the inverter unit, we can save large energy. This data is saved by 11%. We can saved by 11%. The cost, and then the equivalent carbon oxide emission can be reduced by about 28.6 ton per year. This also ecological, small energy, ecological efficiency. It's much better. The A series is more ecological because also it's R32. This is one ecological refrigerant. And then next is I list this is why the A series can realize the energy saving. You see here this curve, ambient temperature, living water temperature, is that the living water temperature and the saving mode, this one is the living water temperature, the curve, and this one, the lower is the living water temperature. Maybe the color is not corresponding, and this one is the temperature, ambient temperature. So we can see this, the living water temperature can change as the cooling load changed. Can change under the cooling load. So you see, when the ambient temperature is lower, and the outlet, the living water temperature also will become higher. So the energy saving will decrease because outlet temperature increase. That means the compressor consume less energy. But for the traditional mode, the living temperature is always the same. For example, D and E series, the outlet temperature, the default is that the design standard is 7 degree. And inlet is 12. Outlet is 7 degree. And this is not changed. But for the energy efficiency A series, the outlet temperature will changed, can change, so it can realize saving, energy saving. Okay, this is about the modular chiller. For the all the modular chiller, E series, D series, and A series. So through this presentation, you can get the information about these three series product, and according the actual situation to choose the suitable product, E and D and A series. During the presentation, I also mentioned that the A series is a DC inverter. This is mainly because this one the cost is higher. But the efficiency is also is very high. Many sales at the Euro market, and the E series. This one is cooling only unit. D series we have heat pump. So this one, D and E series is mainly for the other area. This is the design promote principle for your reference. Okay. Today this training we will finish. Whether you have any question about this modular chiller product,